Hey, beautiful people. Hey, beautiful people. Hey. Today we're going to get into a mini project. Just a mini project, something for the kitchen, something to hide the stove as I work in the kitchen on different projects. Because I look back on different videos and I notice I don't like looking at my stove when it's in the back of me. I don't want you guys to see the eyes, so I covered the eyes and now I want to cover the oven. So I have purchased these two hand towels from Temu. Two of them, the same hand towels, and they match what's sitting on top of my stove. Okay, so here's what I have on the stove. And actually, because I see the word kitchen is backwards, let me turn the camera around. Okay, much better. Now you can see the word kitchen. Now this is what's covering the stove top. The stove top. And I've covered my toaster because I didn't like looking at that as well when I looked at the videos. I looked at them back and I said, oh, you can see my toaster. And I also, these are the hand towels. And they're the same print. And it says kitchen on it, you know. So it's two of them. We're going to sew these together. And we're going to put them here. Right over this stove. I'm telling y'all right now, this is the messiest. This is the messiest. This is the messiest project I have ever done. Glue is getting stuck to my fingers, and every time I go and touch the fabric, it gets stuck to the fabric. Will I do this again? No. Because it's too messy. It's just, I can't get the glue off my fingers in time for me to glue down the rhinestones. So, because I can't get the glue off my fingers in time in order to put the rhinestones on before the glue dries, my fingertips are touching the material. And there's glue all over it, so it looks messy. Now, from a distance, you may not be able to see the glue, but when you get up close to this, you are going to see it. What can I do? I'm just going to continue and I'm going to finish. Okay, beautiful people, I am all done. And I'm going to hang it up. But first of all, I want to show you what it looks like. And I went and washed my hands 3 times. 3 times. This glue right here. I know you can't see it because it's backwards. No, you need to see this glue. You see this glue? This glue right here is all over my fingers. You can see it on my pinky right here in the camera. Here's the finished product. So let's go hang it on the stove. All right, there you have it, folks. There's my oven cover. And it might be looking a little small, but the thing is that the thing you pull the oven down with, it really doesn't go all the way over like you think. It kind of stops right there. So it's cutting off the length of me trying to put two on. Now, this is the second one. If I were to pull this over to the end and still have it stretched out so you can read what it says, look how much room. It's only that much room left. So I only need one. I'm only going to use one. So how do you think it looks? I like it, and I hope you do too. And if you do like it, please, please, please give me a like. Sometimes you watch the video and you may like it, but you may not push or click the like button. So come on, subscribers, click the like button. Come on, click it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, folks. Come on. I'm counting on my subscribers and people who watch my videos to pull me up to 200 by the end of August. Come on, we can do this. We can do it. 200, folks. Give me the 200 by the end of August. Thank you. So at one click, and you're going to see the end result. All right, now it's time to get into the next project. It's time to paint these boxes and cut the flaps for the next project. You'll see that next. Bye, beautiful people. Bye.